two medium flow pads, and this is the alternative that I'm using for my son, and the color is derived from vegetables. These three oils are my darlings right now because I love cold pressed oils. And look at the packaging, guys. It is so eco-friendly. Chilli vattal, that is Milagai vattal. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be presenting an all organic food products video today. I've never used organic food products before, like organic dal, organic rice, organic pulses, or even an organic sanitary pad. So I was very excited to receive these products and to try out all these one by one. And for your information, I got these products as a gift from EcoBuddy. This is not the normal kind of sponsored video or a paid collaboration video because they do not ask me to make any video or any promotion or anything out of their products. They sent it to me out of the pure love that they had for my work towards organic nature and organic lifestyle. I will also put up the screenshot of the WhatsApp message they sent me saying that they are sending me these products as a complimentary, as a sign to appreciate my efforts to promote good food and organic products among public. So in this video we are going to see some really nice organic products that we would not have come across before. So let's get into the video. Okay, so the first product I'm going to show you is this bamboo pads. I was really surprised to receive this bamboo pads. It says these pads are made with bamboo cotton, and there is absolutely no plastic in these pads, and these are made in a very hygiene environment for women. Okay, and this pack contains 7 pads. This is made in India, and it has 2 XL pads for medium flow and 3 regular pads for normal regular flow, and 2 panty liners for the last days, like for the 5th day or the 6th day when you don't want to actually use a heavy pad. So inside the box there's actually a label given which says this is a regular flow pad, and as they say there are 3 regular flow pads, and there are 2 medium flow pads, and there are 2 small cute panty liners. So this is almost like a customized sanitary pad box. So even if you have a school going child, you can just send this box along with them. It will be very convenient for them to pick a pad or a panty liner whenever they want. I've never used any customized pads before. I only use the regular Stay Free or whatever, which is like from the first day to the last day. But I'm really excited about using a customized box like this. So let me figure it out and share it with you. So the next one is the EcoBuddy Vattal box. This is also a very cute, natural, eco-friendly packaged box. And this has chilli vattal, that is Milagai vattal, Sundaka vattal, Manatakali vattal, and Kottavaranga vattal, Katrika vattal, that is brinjal, and Pavaka vattal, which is bitter gourd. I don't know the English names for all the other vattals, but I don't know if like North Indians eat this or not, but I guess both in Andhra and in Chennai these kind of vattals are really famous. We make this at home all the time during summer. We go dry it up on the terrace and then we make this. And look at the packaging, guys. It is so eco-friendly and it is completely made out of paper. You can just discard the paper after transferring this into a glass bottle, and they will recycle the paper, right? So this comes in a very nice packaging, and you can also use this box later for some other purpose. You can store garlic, you can store onions. And the next one is Karupatti, which is palm jaggery. So I have to tell you guys, even though I have switched to organic ghee and I have already switched to organic honey and organic oils and cold pressed oils, I have made all these switches, but I'm not able to switch completely from white refined sugar to other forms of natural sugar only because of my husband. Because my husband wants his refined sugar in coffee, in tea and all the other juices. He does not like any other sweeteners. So I have to somehow coax him to completely get rid of the white refined sugar. And this is the alternative that I'm using for my son, the palm jaggery Karupatti. You can also use cane jaggery if you want. You can also use palm sugar, which is called I forgot the name, guys. I'm really sorry. There are palm sugar crystals available. You can use that also. Now, I don't want my son to get addicted to white refined sugar, so I have already switched him from white refined sugar to honey and other sweetening alternatives like palm jaggery, Karupatti and all that. So this also comes in a very nice woven package. So this Palm jaggery is completely organic. It is low in GI. It has 23 nutrients and it has medicinal purposes. And the price of this product is 271 rupees. Not bad, right? Like for such a big package, 271 rupees is really cool. So the next item is biryani spices. So this biryani spices is another exciting product for me because I use these spices on a regular basis. I make biryani at least once in a week, and when Danton is here, sometimes it's twice in a week. Naisore, biryani, chicken, mutton and all that. So these spices are really handy for me. And in this spice box, I'll tell you guys, they have included even saffron and cinnamon and cloves, cardamom, black cardamom, and bay leaves and star anise, stone flower and mace. So this also comes in a very cute packaging, and this is totally 125 grams, all the spices together, and this is 322 rupees. This is little bit on the pricier side because of the presence of saffron in it, because you guys know how costly saffron is. And all these spices present in the box are natural and grown without any chemicals, and these are collected and transported directly from the hills. So the next product is another favorite product for my entire family, because both Danton and my son and myself included are big fans of pasta. See, I broke the box. Let me just put it back. So this is the whole wheat pasta. This is 100% natural and it has multicolor macaroni, and the color is derived from vegetables. So this is a 500 gram box. There are no artificial colors, but still it's going to look colorful and your kids are going to love it. And this is whole wheat pasta. There is no suji or there is no maida in it, so it's absolutely healthy. Let's see the ingredients of this pasta box. Whole wheat flour, carrot, beetroot, ragi flour, spinach, tomato, sea salt and cold pressed sesame oil. My god, it's really heartwarming to even hear the ingredient list. I'm sure I'm gonna make this a regular buy from the EcoBuddy website because I'm totally in love with this pasta. And this box is 100% biodegradable packing. I'll check out the price and I'll mention it here. The next product is Thuya Malli Parambarya Arusi, native variety boiled rice. Grown without chemicals, packed without chemicals, semi-polished, rich in taste, fiber and micronutrients. So this is completely grown without chemicals, and I completely love the packaging, guys. Na 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 na. It looks like a small handbag, right? Let's become free from lab-made staples. Yeah, I also went through a few videos where they make rice in labs and not grow rice. So all this is happening in the world, and this is naturally grown rice in a cute packaging. In some products like honey and ghee, you will feel the difference in the taste and the aroma as soon as you open the bottle. But in products like dals and rice and all that, you will not actually like feel the difference or smell the difference as soon as you look at them. Only after you cook and taste it, you can feel the difference in taste and the texture. So no matter how much I tell you or no matter how much I show you, you're not going to feel the difference. Everything will look the same to you. But once if you buy it and try it, only then you're going to appreciate the difference. So this is native urad dal. This is also a 1 kg pack. This also comes in this cute handbag like packaging. This is actually a cloth packaging. Once you open the stitches here, you can use it for some other purpose. Then the next item is native tur dal. So they have given me 2 varieties of dal and 1 variety of rice. The next item is EcoBuddy palm sugar. So this is the product I was talking about. This is the natural sweetener which can be used as an alternative to white refined sugar. This is organic, low GI, 23 nutrients and medicative. EcoBuddy palm sugar is extracted from palm nira, the sweet sap of the cut flower buds of Palmyra palm trees. They deliver pan-India, so if you like to order something, you can go on ecobuddy.in website and you can place your order. The price of this palm sugar is 168 rupees for 250 grams. This will come a long way, guys, because we are not going to add too much of sweeteners for a tea, coffee or milk. If you have children at home, it's best to give your children milk or any other drink without any sweeteners in it. But if they are not drinking it, you can actually go for alternative sweeteners like this, which is organic and is also a part of Ayurveda and Siddha medicine. Okay, so the next item we are going to see are the naturally flavored ice creams without any chemicals or without any artificial sweeteners or preservatives or colors. My god, I enjoyed having these ice creams, guys. I was not able to keep it for a very long time because we wanted to consume it fresh, so I don't have it with me now, but I've taken beautiful pictures of these ice creams, and from the pictures you can see how natural the color is, how there are no artificial colors, and even the texture is so real. They did not add anything extra to make it look more attractive, but the flavors of the fruits are intact, and it really tasted like eating concentrated fruit ice cream. You know, the flavors were so natural and so realistic. So you guys can definitely try out ice creams, and during this lockdown you can definitely order these ice creams for your children without any hesitation, as there is no preservative or colors or added sweeteners in these ice creams. So the next product is ghee from curd, that is curd ghee. These days the ghee derived from the Bologna method has become really popular and is in great demand all across India. So I'll tell you how this EcoBuddy ghee is derived. This ghee is not derived from farm cattle, it is only from grass-fed village cattle. And let's see how this ghee is taken. Ghee from curd, also called cultured ghee, is the melted butter which is churned out of fermented curd. The fermentation assists easy digestion and increased nutrition. Even lactose intolerant people can digest cultured ghee without any difficulty. Cultured ghee is known as the best tasting ghee of all the ghee varieties and is capable of making any food very tasty. Ghee was always churned out of curd till few decades ago for many centuries all over India. So this has been a very common practice in olden days, but now everything has become fast moving and fast paced that they want to derive the ghee directly from the milk and not go through the actual process written in Ayurveda, which kills all the nutrition in the final product. So when the ghee is cultured ghee derived from curd, following all the process mentioned in the Ayurveda, it retains all the nutrition and it becomes the best medicine for human health. So the next product is a very exciting new product which is called the white honey. I don't know if you've heard of this, but I've never heard of this before. So when I saw white honey in their catalog, I was really impressed and really excited to try this out. I'll read out how this white honey comes into picture. All honey are not the same. Each have different composition of glucose and fructose. Depending on the ratio, some honey varieties naturally crystallize. This is rare and happens in very few honey varieties. Crystallized honey are more tasty and can be used as natural jam, as its spreading quality is good. It has all natural medicative qualities of honey, at the same time more enjoyable. So this is not like the normal room temperature honey that we see where it's pourable. So this is a jam like honey which is spreadable on bread and chapatis and all other varieties of tiffin items. So you can actually see the white color of the honey underneath, right? So the highlights of this white honey is it is 100% natural, no added sugar. It is unprocessed, unfiltered, naturally crystallized, amazing taste. It is a natural jam filled with pollen from mustard flowers which has naturally matured. So just think about the process behind making this honey, guys. Like they wait for each and every step to happen naturally and then they derive this honey. So much of effort and so much of natural well-being goes into this product. So the price of this product is 399 rupees and I feel it is definitely worth a try. So you can try it out and see how nice it is. Since it is thick in consistency and it is jam like, it will come for a very long time. Then the next product are my most frequently used, and you can see different varieties of natural oils in my kitchen. I use only cold pressed oils. I'm going to make a separate video on the benefits of cold pressed oils and why you should completely skip and stop using refined oil. This oil is cold pressed, naturally aromatic, delicious and nutritious, unfiltered and unrefined, naturally sedimented, no chemicals, best for deep frying. Yes, I always use groundnut oil for all my frying needs. I never use refined oil. Many of us don't have the awareness about refined oil and cold pressed oil. So when I say this, it might sound a little different to you, but once you start using cold pressed oils, you will see really good health benefits and you will never jump back to refined oils. So this has the lowest oil retention on food, and this bottle of 1 liter costs only 275 rupees, guys, which is very reasonable for 1 liter of cold pressed oil. And look at the color. It has a very nice golden color. So this will get over easily in 1 month for me, since this is the, like mostly used oil in my house. I use groundnut oil for all sorts of sauteing and deep frying, and especially for non-veg. And next comes the sesame oil, Naattu Nallanai. Look at the color of the sesame oil. The sesame oil is definitely a little darker than the groundnut oil, but both are cold pressed. I use it for dosa, but I don't know how many of you like it for dosa. I use only sesame oil and groundnut oil for dosa. I don't use refined oil. And I use for spinach rice. It tastes amazing when you use it for spinach rice. The recipe is also there in my channel. So this sesame oil is derived from nutritious native red sesame seeds. It is naturally aromatic, crushed with palm jaggery, unfiltered, naturally sedimented, and no chemicals. Awesome, right? These two oils are native groundnut oil and native sesame oil for my daily use. Okay, so the next product is native cold pressed coconut oil. I was not using cold pressed coconut oil before for my hair. I used to use the normal coconut oil, which was not very impressive. And so I switched to cold pressed coconut oil now. Before even receiving this, I was using cold pressed castor oil. You would have seen it in my hair care videos that I use only cold pressed castor oil. I would have shown it a lot of time. And now I have also started using cold pressed coconut oil, and I can feel a huge difference. Like the oil is really thick and a little bit of oil is more than enough. My hair is so long. I've been using this for almost like 20 days now, and you can see the amount of oil I have used. I do use a variety of oils on my hair, not only coconut oil, but still only so much I have used in the last 20 days, right? And the price of this oil is really affordable. It is 174 rupees for 500 ml. This is cold pressed oil from Sola dried copra, and it is sulfur free. It naturally contains vitamin E. It is unfiltered, delicious, healthy, aromatic, ideal for cooking and cosmetic purposes. So this same oil can be used for both cooking and for cosmetic purposes, guys. So from now on, I'm going to use only cold pressed oil even for my hair. The price being so reasonable, why should we go for something that is not even pure, right? It does not make any sense. So that's it, guys. I think I've covered most of the products, and do check out the link in the description box to check EcoBuddy's catalog, the price range, the ingredients, how the products are made, and visit their website to check out if the price suits you, what items suits your budget, and what you can buy and what you cannot buy. It's totally up to you, guys. I'm not asking you to buy anything. If you just check it out, you'll get an idea about such affordable organic brands that you can actually buy from. People don't go for organic products only because of the price, mostly 80% of the people. So if you just go through the catalog, you'll get an idea of how affordable the prices are. This lady did not even ask me to promote the products, or did not even ask me to post pictures of these products, or did not ask me to show these products in the video, nothing. So she has really instilled a sense of responsibility in me to not promote any product that is not natural, that is not organic, that might contain any chemical, or that might cause any side effects. If there is a brand that you guys want to know about, or you want me to review and share my honest opinion, I'll definitely review the product and show it to you guys, but I'm not going to promote the product or like speak only about the goodness of the product. If the product is organic and natural, I will happily try it out and give my honest opinion on it. So I'm sure you would have loved this EcoBuddy organic haul. We've seen many cloth haul, shopping haul on many channels, but I'm really happy to showcase organic food haul in my channel. If you like this video, do stay tuned and subscribe for more such similar organic videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you again in another interesting video. Take care. Bye bye.